Welcome to our YouTube channel. Kaya ngayon, mag-vlog naman ako. Tingnan mo, kakaligo ko lang. Ako lang mag-challenge kaya panoodin nyo. Maglilinis ako ng kwarto namin. Yung pamilya namin ay, kami lahat ay, lahat kami. Dalawang babae, ako at bunso ko at tsaka pa yung dalawa kong kuya ko at little brother. Kaya alam nyo naman mga guys, ilan din naman kayo, mag-subscribe naman kayo, please. Kaya kapag hindi kayo mag-subscribe, hindi ko alam. Please, mag-subscribe naman kayo. Sa hindi nakasubscribe dyan, mag-subscribe na kasi 8 na ang subscribes ko. Please, mag-subscribe na kayo. Kaya, wait lang.
And it means a lot, and it's, brought me here today, and
Yan,
hopefully I'll keep
beginning na ang
support for the next year.
paglilinis ko.
I know your dad drives everywhere. Your family has been your greatest supporter. Tell me what it's like to have them here for this moment.
Oh my gosh, I couldn't pay them
Ito
to miss it.
muna ang,
They come to everything, they never miss
ito muna ang
anything.
sa amin na
I
hindi.
wish I got a hug, but we'll do it later, I guess.
They gotta come up and give them a hug.
Yeah.
Come on. They've gotta come to you. Congratulations.
Nobody better at organizing hugs than Holly Rowe. The second round is in the books. Las Vegas Aces are very active.
The WNBA Draft 2024 is presented by State Farm. Proud to cover greatness.
Ilalagay ko muna ito sa lagyan namin ng mga kumot namin. Ayun mga kumot namin. Kaya lilinisin ko na ang bed namin. Maghintay muna kayo dyan. Number 1 is kunin ko muna yung walis. Kunin ko muna yung walis namin, ha? Wait lang kayo dyan. Mga guys, ito na po ang walis namin. Kaya, ito naman ay linisin natin. Hi, may face mask. May face mask. May face mask. May face mask pa?
And committing to a common goal. NBA Cares is about coming together to lift people up with generosity and genuine heart in the communities where we live, work, and play. Together, we can be an unbeatable team.
Hey everybody, welcome to 24 Seconds with me, Jamal Murray.
Already fakes, fires, three-pointer straight on.
Best meal I can cook is chicken wings.
The ultimate winner chicken dinner.
The funniest guy on my team is DeAndre Jordan.
We've had a few chuckles even during this game.
The guy on my team who talks the most,
He talks a lot too, doesn't he?
Peyton Watson. That's a wrap. I'm out.
Welcome back to the WNBA Draft 2024 presented by State Farm.
Hindi makita
Well,
mga
the
guys.
NBA play-in
Ayan.
tournament is here Wednesday. Countdown, 6:30 Eastern on ESPN. Then you have Heat, Sixers in the 7-8 game, followed by Hawks, Bulls, and an elimination 9-10 game at 9:30 Eastern. The Phoenix Mercury are finally on the clock. How about the Phoenix Mercury in their offseason?
This is the Phoenix Mercury team that got much better in the offseason. They had a tumultuous year a season ago, so much attention on the return of Brittany Griner. There was a change in the Phoenix Mercury leadership.
Kaya mga guys, tapos na ang bed namin. Kaya yun naman yung mga kapatid ko.
And this is a team right now that does not have a ton of cap space. They re-signed Diana Taurasi.
Maganda ba
They
mga
re-signed Brittany
Kaya
Griner.
ito na naman.
One who took less than her value. So the beauty of picks 25 and 29 here in this third round, these picks have a real chance to make the Phoenix Mercury roster because they need players who are on their rookie minimum.
Well, the pick is in. Here's the first pick of the third round. And now we go back to the podium to Commissioner Kathy Engelberg.
25th pick in the 2024 WNBA draft, the Phoenix Mercury select Charisma Osborne, UCLA.
Charisma Osborne, who had so much success at UCLA,
Wawalisin natin.
a 5-year starter, a 4-time All-Pac-12 selection, second most points in school history with over 2,200. And she is going to get a chance to learn behind
Kaya
some of
guys,
the
tapos
greatest
na din.
players in league history out in Phoenix.
Ito na naman.
Charisma Osborne is certainly a true 3-and-D player. She can score on the inside, but she is the only player in the Pac-12 with 50 3-point field goals made and 50 steals in each of the last 2 seasons. One word to describe her is consistency. She defends, she plays hard, she shoots the ball well, which is a great need because the Phoenix has had a lot of moves in this offseason, but they were field goal percentage last season. In many threes per game, Charisma Osborne has an opportunity to come in and contribute to Phoenix in that aspect.
So there's some new leadership in Phoenix that brings versatility and IQ, and Charisma Osborne brings both of those.
Kaya ito na naman
Very
ito
slow
natin.
pace a year ago. Won't be that anymore when Natasha Cloud and Kalia Copper. Charisma Osborne can also push pace, certainly can defend, and has great size for a guard.
Charisma with Holly right now.
All you need is an opportunity, and you got it. You have been such a great leader, defender, shooter. How will you bring all of this special parts of you to the Phoenix Mercury?
Yeah, I think you said it. Just bringing all of that with me. I have so much confidence in myself, and I have so many people here around to support me, so I'm super excited.
I know you wanted to shout out the people who poured into you to get you to this moment.
Yeah, my parents, my mom and my dad, I definitely would not be there without them, and they've just been so amazing to me, and my grandma, my sister, and from my coaches to my teammates. There's a million people I can name, but I'm just so grateful for my support system, and all glory to God as well.
Well, congratulations. I know Coach Close is out there somewhere yelling and cheering for you, too.
Yeah, she's definitely excited about me.
Oh, good. Well, have a great time. I know that you can go out there and surprise everybody and really show them what you've got.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations to Charisma Osborne heading to the Phoenix Mercury with a 25th overall pick, the first pick of this third round. You know, we've had some of the top picks of this draft wearing mics throughout the day. It's
Papakita ko muna sa inyo kasi hindi na naman kita. Nakikita niyo ba?
of the 2024 WNBA draft.
Mas hindi niyo pa nakikita. Ay, ito na nilalagay sa baba ha. Dito na lang. Okay na ba? Okay na.
Right before I came here, I FaceTime Steph saying all these encouraging words, laughing with me.
Wawalisin muna natin ha.
I was called you out on television.
With the first pick in the 2024 WNBA draft, the Indiana Fever select
Nilinisin natin.
Caitlin Clark. The Los Angeles Sparks select Cameron Brink.
Mga guys, nahulog. Pati ako ni Mami.
The Chicago Sky select Camilla Cardoso.
Guys, ilalagay natin yung mga ulan. Ha?
That's what it's all
Ilagay
about,
natin.
right? Seeing these.
Ayan. Ang bigat ng mga ulan nila. Ayan.
This lead of 8, Tammy's largest in the game, but talk about large. How about that slam dunk from Vince Carter? What body control and what power by Carter.
He goes to the basket as strong as anybody in the league. Gets his body in the way and throws it down.
Kaya mga guys, wawalisin natin naman ito kasi di ba dito ko nilalagay yung mga basta mga wawalisin natin.
is at 20 from downtown this year. 20 of the Vince Carter showing you
Sama natin itong face mask na to. Nakakasturbo naman. Oo nga. Kaya mamaya, makikita nyo ang then guys, tapos na. Kaya wait lang, papakita ko muna sa inyo. Kaya wait lang ha. Guys, ito na papakita ko sa inyo.
We get it. You know big, but nothing
Ayan
is
yung
bigger than the playoffs.
bed namin at saka ito namang dalawa kong kapatid na lalaki at ito naman ang nanay ko at daddy ko. Kaya tapos na. Kaya bye! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Kaya mag-subscribe kayo ha.